Okay, I'll catch you soon. Okay, cool. So hi everybody, this is कुंभज एंड काफ़ी समय बाद एक ये क्लिप रिकॉर्ड हो रही है, ठीक है. आई नो अबाउट इट. सो बेसिकली ये एक रॉ टेक होने वाला है अबाउट हैकाथन. हैकाथन क्या चीज़ें होती हैं, ठीक है. सो बेसिकली आई वुड लाइक टू जस्ट टेल यू अबाउट मी. आई एम कुंभ शुक्ला. राइट नाउ आई हैव अराउंड I explored 3+ year in my college journey with hackathons and in participating hackathon and as a organizing team member of a hackathon, as a mentor of a hackathon, as well as a yeah as a attendee of a hackathon. But I enjoy as a attendee. Okay. सो बेसिकली दिस वन इज़ अ वीडियो जहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे कि अबाउट हैकाथन. हैकाथन क्यों होना चाहिए, ठीक है. वाई हैकाथन. सो फॉर वाई हैकाथन देयर इज़ अ थिंग्स because for job as well as for student. Okay, there is two perception. First one is a for job, second one is a for student. दो तीन तरीके के हैकाथन्स होते हैं. पहला कम्युनिटी जो कराती हैं, लाइक सपोज आई हैव फ्यू कम्युनिटी, सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज अ हैकाथन एंड कॉल डेवलपर्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया. ठीक है. तो एक ऐसा वे बन जाता है जहाँ पे सारे डेवलपर्स वहाँ इकट्ठा होते हैं एंड पीपल आर इंटरेक्टिंग टू ईच अदर एंड पीपल आर पोस्टिंग एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट माई कम्युनिटी. सो दिस इज द ओवरऑल things. Okay, and I'll call a lot of sponsors. They come here and they sponsor about the hackathon and food and a lot of things, swacks and a lot of things. So basically, as a community, I'll get some more reach from India, from the tech industry. Okay, यहाँ पे भी होते हैं कुछ प्राइज मनीज होती हैं, कुछ काफ़ी सारे स्वैक्स होते हैं, फूड एंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. As attendee, you need to came here and participate there and make some good network. Okay, make some good connection. Connect. Why connect? Because connect is very important thing in this tech era. Okay, you need to find a lot of people's, make some connection, make some code buddy, like kind of suppose you are working in MERN and you find someone else is working in on MERN and you guys are connected to each other. So when you in future when you will be get stuck somewhere, so the guy will help you. Okay, that kind of a raw imagination you need to imagine it. Same thing happen sometime when companies organize the hackathon. So company organize the hackathon for the recruitment purpose. For that, company will take a screening test. After that, they'll take a technical round of test. After that, they'll call you. Okay, you came here. This is a hackathon center, and the hackathon will be going on for 24 hour or 48 hour. Okay, you need to just XYZ is a problem statement and you need to make some feasible solution about it. Okay, if you will be succeed or your approach will be something kind of a positive and impactful, so definitely and their recruitment team will be going to hire you about that. Okay, so ये कुछ सिनारियो होने वाला है हैकाथन को लेके. Now let's understand. Okay, now I just want to brief you about some more perspective. Okay, like profit as attendee. As I told you, you are going to just you need to make, you are going to connect with a lot of different tech guys. Okay, after that there will be a way of understanding about building a project, how we can build a project from scratch to deployment process. Because when you need to submit your project, so you need to complete deploy that project. Okay, after that you are going to understand about the teamwork, because you have only 24 or 36 hour and you need to make that project completely. And in some few times, sometime it maybe happen in your team there will be no one, few of member who don't know about the tech, so you need to decide their work and their R&D. You need to align them with the R&D team, with the R&D work and R&D task. And if someone is very someone know about the PPT work, so you need to give them PPT task. And if someone is very good with designing, so you need to give them designing. If someone is very good with presentation and communication skills, so you need to give them you need to tell them, you need to say about, okay, you go and you just prepare for the presentation which which will be going to happen in at the end of the hackathon. Okay, this will be the entire scenario, and after that you will be going to connect with lots of mentor judges and lots of a tech expert guy. After that, definitely if you are going to in a hackathon, so there will be some swags. And if you are going in any kind of a company's hackathon, so there will be some internship opportunity, internship probability, as well as the employment later of about that. Okay, if your solution is very feasible and the executable executable, so definitely the company and their recruitment team going to give you some employment later and a lot. And definitely last one is the food. Okay, so next question is, who can participate in hackathon? Okay, so I have only one, anyone, anyone who is curious about that. Cool. Yeah, it is true. Maybe it will be a controversial statement about from my end, but I'm damn sure if you are the guy who is very much curious about the tech and who is who won't understand like how the project work, how the technologies work, how we can work under the pressure, under the hood, and a lot of things. So you need to just come and participate in hackathon. That's it. There will be no another option. If you don't know anything, don't know, just connect with 4 people and make a team and join them and just to go on hackathon. That's it. Hackathon will be a place who will who is going to teach you a lot of lesson. Yes, it is fact. बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको सिखा रहा होगा, ठीक है, वहाँ पे, बिकॉज यू नो लाइक हैकाथन पे बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसी प्रोबेबिलिटीज बन जाती हैं, या फिर एक तरीके से ना वो आपको बहुत ही क्लियर, एक तरीके से ना हैकाथन आपको बहुत ही क्लियर जो है ना एक इमेज दिखाता है कि ओके यू नो दैट थिंग एंड यू कैन मेक दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट, एंड आपको बहुत सारे सिमिलर लोगों के साथ मिलने को मौका मिलता है, ठीक है। आप जाते हो 24 घंटे एक ऐसे रूफ में रहते हो, एक ऐसे छत के नीचे रहते हो जहाँ पे आपको सारे बंदे कोड करते हुए दिखते हैं, ठीक है। हर दूसरा इंसान टेक की बात कर रहा है, हर दूसरा इंसान कोड की बात कर रहा है, हर दूसरा इंसान बग एरर की बात कर रहा है, हर दूसरा इंसान बग की बात कर रहा है। तो यू विल गेट सम मोटिवेशन, एंड डेफिनेटली आई एम डैम श्योर कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा तो आपको ना एक गूज बम्प आएंगे, ओके ठीक है, आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन दैट थिंग आफ्टर द हैकाथन, मैं ये कुछ करने वाला हूँ। एंड लास्ट वन इज़ डोंट गो फॉर विनिंग प्राइज, ठीक है, इट इज़ ए फैक्ट। विनिंग प्राइज, हैकाथन की विनिंग प्राइज को देख के आप मत पार्टिसिपेट करो, यू गो फॉर जस्ट एज अटेंड